hate the noises I seem to make. My family's full of shame. They yell and shout and scream my name. They say the soda is to blame. The carbonation is just bubbling inside. Couldn't keep it in even if I tried. Don't let them out, don't let them go. Keep the burps in, don't you dare blow. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them go. Well, now they know, let it go. The burps never bothered me anyway.